respectful mother-in-law and the respectful daughter-in-law. In a small town of India, there lived a traditional family where love and respect were the foundation of the household. The home was blessed with both a Sanskari Bahu and a Sanskari Saas. The mother-in-law, Shanta Devi, was known in the neighborhood for her wisdom, calm nature, and kindness. She wore her sari neatly every morning, performed her prayer, and always believed in treating the daughter like her own daughter. The daughter-in-law, Priya, had recently entered the family after marriage. She was quickly respectful, always eager to learn traditions, and took great care of the family. She was modern in education but traditional at heart. One morning, both women were in the kitchen. Priya was preparing a variety of delicious dishes dal, sabzi, chapatis, and sweets for the family. Shanta Devi entered with a smile and said, Beta, you don't need to do all the work alone. Let me help you. Priya quickly replied, No, Maji, you have done this for years. Now it is my turn to take care of you. Shanta Devi was touched by her word. Together they prepared the meal. Priya served the food with love, while Shanta Devi carried the puja thali and blessed the family before everyone sat for lunch. The son, Rajesh, watched quietly and smiled. He left proud to see how his mother and wife respected each other. There was no ego, no competition, only mutual love. Soon the neighbor began to notice that their home was always filled with peace and the aroma of delicious food. Many people used to say, This is the secret of a happy family when both Saas and Bahu respect each other. From that day, Priya and Shanta Devi becomes an example in the town. They showed that a family does not thrive on agreement or dominance, but no care, understanding, and respect. And so the Sanskari Saas and Sanskari Bahu lived happily under the same roof, not as in law, but as a true mother and daughter. Thank you for listening to today's magical story. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next story. Until then, keep imagining, keep dreaming.